Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, I've clearly told you that the price, as soon as started hitting above a level of $2686, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Why? Because this is an all-time high, which I've clearly told you that as soon as the price started hitting this particular level and sustain a further upside towards a level of 2700, we can see, and then it can move further higher towards 2720. Okay, and I have told you to trail the SL by $7. Okay, this $7, what will happen, that see, we don't know when profit booking can come. Okay, as soon as a new high was there, we have seen a profit booking has come every time, because see, if you look at this particular chart, this is the high, we have seen a downfall has come. Okay, if you look at the new high, we have seen a downfall has come. Similarly, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall. So what you have to remember in this case also, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a good fall. Okay, because this is a weak chart, you are looking at this as a smaller thing, but it is a good fall. You can see, suppose if you are taking leverage, high leverage, then probability is high you can lose the capital at this particular point. Okay, if I explain you from after lockdown, what had happened, that the price was continuously upside, okay, at this particular level. So whenever it was making new high, we have seen a fall is coming. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level and probability will be high, we can see there will be a probability it can move further upside. This is the range. Now the range bound has happened towards an upside, so probability of going further upside we can see. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, I have clearly told you that dollar index is trying to go higher as soon as the price started hitting $102. You can check my previous video where I've told you. Okay, and as soon as the price started hitting above a level of $101.5, the probability was very high it can cross this level, and now it is trading above a level of $103.6, and chances can be high it can move further upside. But remember, overall trend is downside, but it is in this particular zone till now. As soon as it started going above this level and sustain above a level of 105, then only we can see there will be a further high. Okay, this is a weak chart I am showing you, so your support and resistance will be as per week. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 102 again, we can see there will be a further fall towards a level of 100.8 and then to a level of 100.3. remember, if I am saying the price of dollar index started going high, we will see the price of gold will come down. Similarly, if the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see price will come down, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what normally it happens. Always try to put the SL, so if it is not working as per you or what you have expected, then your SL can hit and it will save your capital. Or once you start in profit, suppose you are in profit and now the trend is coming towards downside, so you trail your profit so that your profit should be saved. Trail your SL so your profit will be saved. Okay, understand? After, if the price started falling below 102, we can see it can further fall towards 100.8, but if the price keep moving above a level of $105 and is sustain this level, we can see there will be a further upside move. On the gold price, you can see the gold price now trading at a level of 2711.765, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see. Upside movement can be of more further high. Okay, because see, what we have seen, whenever it makes a new high, there is a zone is happening. Okay, this is the zone. As soon as zone breakout happens, we have seen a new zone. Now this zone breakout happens, and now there is a probability it can make a new zone in this particular level. So what you have to do, you have to trail your SL. Now the volatility is not that great, so you can trail your SL by $4 to $5. Okay, if you are trailing your SL, what will happen, you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Suppose if it is going higher, you can capture $4 or $5 and can trail the SL. Okay, but if it going downside also, you can do this, but remember, there is a higher chances that it can go further upside if the price keep moving above a level of around $2686, because this is an all-time high what we have seen previous all-time high. Now it has made a new high of around $2614. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see as soon as the price started going up 27 $2720. Probability of going towards 2730 will be there, and then it can go and touch a level of 2750, and a probability of going towards 2800 also we can see. Okay, so keep trailing your SL by $4 to $5. Okay, if the volatility is less, when the volatility is high, try to trail by $7 to $10 so you can capture, and your SL and quantity should be as per that, as well as your target, so that you should not be missing. Suppose if the volatility is high, you are keeping a small SL, then your SL can hit, okay, rather than hitting your target. So you should decide as per that. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if it started forming or profits booking started coming at this level, now the strong support coming at a level of $2687. Okay, this is a support, so a bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, and if the bounce back comes, we can see there can be an upside. But if it started falling below this level, you have to understand the price now trading at a level of 2711, and this is a weak chart, so it is a different compared to a day wise chart. Okay, so the next support coming after this level, we can see a level of $2687, and once it fall below this level, we can see a level of $2682. We can see a level of around 2660, and once the price started falling below that level, we can see a level of 2633. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2622 will be there, and once started falling below that particular level, we can see a level of $2606. Then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of falling towards a level of 2583 we can see, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $2545. See, what we have seen towards an upside, we can see there can be a probability it can come down, because the US election is very close. So you have to understand that keep your SL ready and trail your SL, so you can capture a big movement towards downside as well as an upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.